Hello everyone, this is Grace from HANTENCNC. Today I'm going to introduce our high-power 1000 watt post laser cleaner. This 1000 watt post laser cleaner with advanced laser technology is an innovative and efficient cleaning equipment that can quickly and precisely remove dirt, rust, oil, and other stubborn contaminants from metal surface, construction materials, mechanical equipment, and other objects. Compared with the traditional cleaning equipment, the high-power 1000 watt post laser cleaner can better meet the market demand for efficient cleaning, and its advantages are widely reflected in the following aspects. Higher cleaning capacity. Compared with 100 watt to 500 watt post laser cleaners, 1000 watt post laser cleaners provide higher power, which is suitable for handling more complex, large-scale, and even deeper cleaning tasks. Higher cleaning efficiency. With its powerful power, the 1000 watt laser cleaners offers 40% to 60% higher cleaning efficiency than 300 watt or 500 watt machines, which greatly saves operating time. Wider range of applications. 1000 watt post laser cleaning machine can effectively remove all kinds of pollution layers, especially its 15 million joule float top beam, which can remove pollutants from different materials without damaging the surface, and is widely used in mold clean, laser burring, paint removing, rust removing, oxides layer removing, couch relax surface cleaning, rail track cleaning, graffiti coating removing, automobile refrigeration, and other high-standard cleaning operations. You can see that the cleaned surface is damage-free and meets the high standard of cleaning requirements. In addition, this cleaning machine is easy to operate and equipped with 9 different cleaning modes, which can be flexibly adjusted by users according to different cleaning environments. Please see the following operation demonstration. With its advantages of high efficiency, environment protection, and precision, the 1000 watt post laser cleaners has become the preferred equipment for cleaning solutions in many industries. If you are interested in our laser cleaning machine or want to know more information, please feel free to leave a message below this video or contact our sales team directly. Thank you for your attention.